Welcome to USA Cars. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of the Buick Model 10, a classic automobile that played a pivotal role in the early automotive industry. The Buick Model 10, introduced in 1904, is often hailed as a symbol of reliability and innovation. At a time when automobiles were still a novelty, Buick made waves with this model, appealing to a growing market of everyday drivers. It was one of the first cars to feature a complete electric system, which included electric lights and a starter, setting it apart from many of its contemporaries that relied on hand cranking. Under the hood, the Model 10 boasted a 2.0-liter, four-cylinder engine that produced 22 horsepower. This engine allowed the car to reach a respectable top speed of around 30 miles per hour, impressive for its time. The design featured a lightweight body, which contributed to its agility and performance on the road. The car was available in several configurations, catering to various tastes and needs, from runabouts to more spacious touring models. One of the standout features of the Buick Model 10 was its affordability. Priced at around $900, it was accessible to a broader audience, helping to popularize car ownership in America. Buick's commitment to quality and craftsmanship resonated with buyers, establishing a reputation that still endures today. As we explore the legacy of the Buick Model 10, we see how it laid the groundwork for Buick's future success and innovation. This model not only marked a significant step in automotive engineering, but also captured the spirit of a rapidly changing America. Thanks for joining us on this journey through automotive history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating stories about classic cars on USA Cars.